Get the keys.
Yeah, let's go get the keys.
Alright, cool. Open the door.
It's locked.
Oh, sorry, 1 second. Here.
Okay, now we're gonna go collect the keys from estate agents. Let's go.
You locked the door, right?
Yep.
Good.
So I made sure I have my ID on me, just in case.
Yes, there's one point thing Lizelle just reminded me about before we left the house, and that was just to collect her ID, because they'll be reluctant to give the keys to you even though they know you. They just want to have proof that they're giving the keys to the right person. Oh, the road's closed on the left here. I would have taken that as a bit more sure. Just go straight.
Yeah, keep on.
Dog's so cute. Nice day today, isn't it?
Yeah.
Isn't it the hottest day tomorrow or something, or the weekend?
It's next week.
Next week. Oh. It's really great news that we get collecting the keys now and the completions happen on this property, because the weather is really good. It just so happened that this week is supposed to be really, really good, and that's when we're starting the renovation.
Guys, we haven't done a renovation for a long time, so it might be a bit rusty.
Yeah, I think we've been a bit too laid back lately. Go on.
Go left.
Okay. So the house is actually on the road on the left here, but we're going to go past the house and go collect the keys. Oh crap, there's a big, just let them come through, you might just scoop me up.
You probably heard that our project's underway, so it's coming.
Yeah, maybe he's coming to do our renovation for us.
Once we collect the keys, our main thing today is to sort out the bills and just have a look at everything in detail. For example, like just make sure there's no leaks.
Yeah, because we've got to keep in mind that the house is empty for about, I think about 6, 7, 8 months, and that's only what we know. Lizelle will give you a few tips. She normally deals with the bills and that kind of thing, so I leave it to her. She's got more experience in it. A lot of the companies, there's a lot of issues that could happen, and even if you do your best to try and change over your bills properly, it still is a big issue. Also, if you're going to the estate agent, there's another thing you got to make sure is like the keys. Make sure you're kind of getting all the keys in one go. A lot of the times, well, sometimes, and we have had this issue before, that they kind of mixed up keys, or they've given you the wrong key for the front door, and you have to kind of figure out what's what. And it basically just helps to ask them which keys are for the front door, which keys are the back door, and all that kind of stuff. Liz, do you know the gas meter? Was that inside the property? Where was it? Is it one of those lockable ones?
It's just in the garden. So you need them special keys to open it up.
Oh, okay. All right, we're not far. We've actually dealt with this agent a few times actually now. They're quite a decent agent. They're quite a friendly bunch, and we're looking forward to meeting them again. How long did this purchase take? It didn't take that long, did it?
About 3 or 4 months.
About 3 or 4 months, yeah, something like that. I got to check how long it's been actually.
Yeah, it was quite smooth. One good thing is that we're collecting the keys really early, so if we have any issues, for example like opening the door, the office will still be open, so they'll be able to help. Just keep that in mind if you go collect the keys late and then it's a weekend, you're gonna have to just wait till Monday, which might be a bit
Is it left here, yeah?
annoying. Yeah,
Left here.
left here.
Today's just going to be a realistic video of us walking in the property, literally walking in for the first time that we are basically owners of the property. And trust me, it is different because you get a lot more time to see things, check things, and you know the truth about property. Every house has its kind of issues, and you kind of only find them out once you kind of acquire the property. What you got left here?
No.
So
The next one there.
This one here.
Yeah.
So we're at the estate agent now. Okay. Convenient parking. A little clothes bin. That's quite useful. We use that quite a lot. Okay.
Let's go collect the key. Yeah, good, thank you. How are you?
Good.
I just want to collect the keys for.
Oh yeah, perfect. Sorry about that situation the other day. Someone messed up the key tag, so
Yeah, no,
we didn't
it's
get
of
in. But these are the right keys, so don't worry. Okay, perfect.
Thanks for everything.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
You too, enjoy the weather. Bye.
Oh, they give us some
I
cake.
love the keys.
Is that cake? We're going to go to the house now and just check the keys work and everything we explained. We're going to check those things now.
Got the keys.
Yeah. This is very awkward. So basically, we just got to the property, we collected the keys, transactions happened, but it looks like the owner's still removing their belongings. Now, that's a good thing because they're actually getting stuff out, but it's happened to us, like, I think 2-3 times now. But at the end of the day, you've kind of got to be a bit understanding sometimes.
At this point, we went home, got changed, and then came back later.
So hi guys, this is our new investment property. So come inside and have a look.
Let's go. Okay. What's in there? Show us what's in there.
So here we've just got closet.
Yeah, it's quite handy to be fair.
All the electrics over here underneath.
All our tools are there as well, just in case we need that today. And electric meters in there, isn't it, as well?
Yeah.
Alright. Where are you taking us now?
Go straight into the sitting room.
Ooh. A lot of light in here, actually.
Yeah.
Like it. Nice. A little fireplace there.
I'm rotating my renovation clothes ready to go.
Yeah, it's all dressed for the occasion. It's not how she usually dresses. That's this front room. Decent light here, so if we really kind of knock this wall down now.
Yeah, try and
Just,
open it up.
but you got to see the cost for that because sometimes it can go quite expensive. I'm not sure if you've seen one of our previous videos where we had to do. You got hay fever? Yeah, so we had a previous video where we. Liz, seriously. So we had a previous video where we dug a footing here, which cost us another £1,000, so that can really increase the cost. So we're thinking about installing an RSJ beam all the way there. What do you guys think? Should we do that? Do you think it'll look great? Or is it worth doing? If our intentions are to sell the property, is it worth doing? Well, I don't know, but we'll see. And that's the garden. It's quite nice actually. It's quite large actually, it goes down quite deep. And it's fairly wide as well. Okay. This is sort of a little bit separated area, and there's a hidden door here. Or there's a hidden room here rather. It's one of those Victorian type toilets, I think. And that's how it looks. It's not the best toilet in the world, but that's why we're here to renovate it. Opposite to that, I'll open it this. I need to put my flash on. Yeah, so that's a little space you can use. You can put, I don't know what, an extra freezer. You can put washing machine, dryer in there. Okay.
And this door just leads back into the garden.
We'll show you the garden in a bit, actually.
Okay, we're gonna go upstairs now.
Yeah. Old lights here as well. Carpet condition's quite good. Let's see if we can actually restore that. So the upstairs is pretty much similar situation to downstairs. Look how much light there is. The window's massive.
The windows are
Yeah.
huge.
Look inside the windows. The whole.
washroom.
Yeah, so lighting is on the end there. Kind of tells you that wiring is pretty old, basically. Yeah.
Moving on to the front bedroom.
Okay.
Got a lot of storage all across this wall.
Looks outdated, but I'm sure we can work with that because these back in the day these were custom built, and to get them custom built now, you probably wouldn't even want to think about it because it's so expensive. So let's see what we can do with that. And that's the view in the front. It looks actually amazing. Actually really, really appealing mode. There's actually two radiators here as well, isn't it? One there as well.
And also two light switches. I've got one here.
Oh yeah.
And then one on that wall there.
Does it work? Oh, that's cool. These storage units are quite deep, as you would expect by looking at them. Okay. Plugs look old, you know, they're not the right regulated heights. Probably have to change that.
So that's the other light. Needs to be moved.
Yeah, and what's in there again? Can you open that? Yeah. You guys probably seen this before. So that's just the old system where you heat your water to have a shower, but the tank is here as well. Actually, during the viewing, it was actually in really, really good condition. I don't know.
We've had a lot of rain.
Had a lot of rain, a lot of sun. So it's got to be tidied up, but there's no point doing it today. Okay. Sleep extractor fan. So loud, did you hear that? Okay, so the bathroom light is also not in the centre. That's the tub and everything. It's quite a compact bathroom, I wouldn't say it's spacious. But let's see what we can do with it when we renovate. That's a sign that there's no combination boiler, which we established earlier on. So that's the electric shower, probably remove that. Okay. Okay guys, so we will be renovating this house day to day and showing you exactly what we're doing. If you want to see that, all our issues, then you can just literally subscribe to the channel and you basically won't miss out on anything. Would you like to say bye?
Goodbye. See you in the next video, guys.